This one. He's taking mine. He's on there. He's on there. He's a little one. Is he? He's not little. Wait. Is that a bass? No, that's a good cat. It's a decent cat, guys. Fish grips. He ate it good. Alright, we got one on. Oh, that's a bass. What the heck? That's a big one, too. Guys, this is a big bass. I think. Wait, is that a bass? No, it's a catfish. Why did he jump out of the water like that? Did the GoPro pick that up? Oh my gosh. Did you guys see that? That fish dang jumped out of the water. Guys, this is how you have the catfish right here. What you do is you get behind this fin, get under those two. That's when they start croaking a lot. That was super fast, guys, within 5 minutes. That guy had it and gone. This guy's probably about pound-ish. I was in that super shallow water. We're gonna go ahead and... I thought that was a bass when it jumped out of the water. We got the pliers. That was super fast. We don't have rod holders or have bells, so we gotta be watching our rods. Second catfish release. Here we go. There he goes, back right to where he was at. Hey, let's see what else we can get. Let's get it back out there. Okay. Gotta wash my hands. Go ahead. Hope this rod got one. Oh my gosh, that's a good one. Is it? Yeah, he's a decent, oh no, he's a small. Water ski, that guy in here. Second little guy on the, well, we're already beating our record of how many catfish to catch. His lip's just bleeding. So I didn't kill him or anything. Here's a release. There he goes. Dang, son. Alright, let's see if anything else wants. We got one. No, he's going under that plane. He's gonna work me off. He got himself loose. This is a better one. Not really. This one choked it a little more. Alright guys, I think guys, we got one on right here. Oh, he popped off. No. Seemed like a good one too. Took me like an hour to find that fish. Oh, this one. This one, we have it. Oh, he was swimming with it. Do I still have the chicken strip? No, he got it off. I had a catfish with a chicken strip. I just needed to put a smaller piece of chicken on there. Okay guys, so here's the fish we got right here. We're gonna go ahead and put them in that stuff right there. We're gonna put them in there, and then we're gonna double dip them in flour. We're gonna cut these bigger pieces into nuggets, and we're just gonna fry them up on medium on a wood stove. So yeah, let's get going. Alright guys, we got a fish nugget right here. We're gonna go ahead and slosh them around in here. Here he is right here. Throw it back in there. Throw it in this flour. Put it back in the hot sauce. Put it back in the flour. And I'm going to go ahead and throw it in the grease. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Here's another nugget. A little piece of catfish right here. Throw it in there. Slosh it around. Boom, boing, 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 boing. Go back in there. Throw it back. And throw this in the grease. Okay, I'm going to continue out the rest, and I'll see you guys when we're cooking. Alright guys, this is what we've come up with. We just fried the catfish. It's looking really good. I let my dad taste it. He said it was pretty good. So yeah, we're going to try a bite without ketchup and try a bite with ketchup and see how it tastes. Don't mind the flour on my sweatshirt, but we're going to go for a piece with ketchup. Just going to finish that piece. Now without, it's still pretty good. That hot sauce gets it going, but yeah. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. A couple more videos coming out soon. I've been grinding some videos, so yeah, stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one.